Good afternoon. Let's talk about some market moving items that impacted the up market today. We saw some buying into the close yesterday, and this was followed through today with some buying. So we had a bit of an up day. The Dow was up 1%, almost 1%. The S&P almost a half, and tech-heavy NASDAQ was up over 2%. So decent day. Oil prices, they were one of the top market movers today. WTI Oil gained back all of its losses from yesterday, which was huge. It's 24% gain today, and that offset yesterday's down day. President Trump kind of supported this with some upward momentum when he mentioned the possibility of getting involved in the Saudi-Russian oil standoff. So we'll see what he does with that. This supported kind of broad buying across the energy sector in all the stock market. So it did allow that sector to be the biggest gainer today at 6.75%. So that was a good day for that energy sector, which has been beaten up here lately. The Jobless Claims report, that came out today. That was a market mover. It was for week ending 3/14, so last Saturday. And the market was expected to have 220,000 jobless claims added was the consensus, and it ended up coming in at 281, so substantially higher than the consensus. These claims give a real frontline look at the impact of the shutdown in the U.S., and that was a huge headwind on the market today. This trading session had some positive news last night from the ECB stimulus plan that was announced, and then the Bank of England this morning cutting their rate. These were some things that were positive momentum for the market, but the headwind of the jobless claim kind of held things back a little bit. Another stimulus item for the U.S. economy being worked through by Congress, that's the small business loan for around $300 billion. This will invest in the small businesses and has the possibility of turning into a grant if the companies don't do any layoffs, if they keep the people working. So that's a big positive. This coronavirus continues to dominate the flow, and until we get certainty on some kind of treatment and some kind of numbers stabilize, then we're going to continue to see this volatility in the market. One of the things that's really positive is the world governments. They're responding just quickly and getting through some things to try to support the people and support the economies, and just really trying to help contain this issue. So that's it for today. Have a safe and healthy day. Thank you.